The way that you solve number one, it means that x will go into the value of h where x is, which will remain just x minus 2. And then h will go inside of g where the x is. And then once you find the answer for that, you plug this into f where each x is. So the way we do that is now that x is already plugged into here, which is going to remain the same, x minus 2, we now plug this inside of g. So that will give us 4x minus 2 plus 9. We distribute the 4 into what's in parentheses, so that would be 4x minus 8 plus 9. Combine like terms, 4x plus 1. Now that we have what h inside of g is, with this value, we plug this into each x of f. So that would be 4x plus 1 squared minus 3, 4x plus 1 plus 2. So 4x plus 1 times 4x plus 1 is going to multiply by it again twice. 4x plus 1. You're there. 4x plus 1. The way that you do this is you multiply them using the FOIL method. So that would be 16x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 1. You combine like terms once again, you get 16x squared plus 8x plus 1. So that's what we get over here. It's 16x squared plus 8x plus 1. And now we distribute the negative 3 into this, which will give us negative 12x minus 3 plus 2. Once again, we combine like terms. So that's going to give us 6. There's no other term with x squared, so that we have 16 by itself. 16x squared. We combine negative 12x and 8x, so we get negative 4x. And now we have negative 4x. Okay. Now we have negative 3, positive, negative minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So negative 3 plus 2 gives us negative 1 plus 1 gives us 0. So we have 16x minus 4x plus 0. When we look at the answer choices, what we have here is 16x minus 4x. The 0 isn't there because it's not necessary, so we only need to worry about 16x squared minus 4x. Now we're going to try this with our own values. So for f in this scenario, we will have x squared plus 2x minus 1. And for g, we'll have 6x minus 4. And for h, we will have x plus 1. So once again, we're going to put what we want here, which is going to be f inside of g, inside of h, inside of x. So x will go where h is, which is already there. It will stay the same. Now we put this inside the x of g. So this would be 6x plus 1 minus 4. We distribute the 6 once again. 6x plus 6 minus 4. Combine like term. 6x plus 2. Now we're going to put this inside of our f value. So that will give a, so that's going to become 6x plus 2 squared. Then we're going to get plus 2, 6x plus 2, and then minus 1. So once again, this is going to be 6x plus 2 times 6x plus 2. So we get 6x plus 2. Using FOIL. This is 36x squared. 6 and 6, 36x squared. Plus 12x plus 12x plus 4. Combine like terms. 36x squared plus 24x plus 4. Distribute the 2 into this. Plus 12x plus 4 minus 1. Now once again we're going to combine like terms. So this has no other term here has the variable x squared. So 36x squared plus 24x plus 12x gives us 36x. And here we have plus 4 from this, plus 4 minus 1. So we do plus 1, plus 4, 8 minus 1 gives us 7. So our final answer will be 36x squared plus 36x plus 7.